Sarah and Louise London is being promoted as a chic, UK-inspired boutique offering elegant fashion pieces at discounted prices. But the real question is whether it's a genuine boutique brand or just another online store with a polished image. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Online boutiques are a real category, often offering curated styles and a more premium feel compared to mass retailers. However, here's the key point. There is very limited verifiable information about Sarah and Louise London as an established fashion brand. There are some surface-level positives. Clean, aesthetic website with modern clothing styles, boutique style, branding that suggests exclusivity, frequent discounts and promotions. But once you look deeper, some concerns start to appear. The biggest issue is lack of brand transparency. There's little to no confirmed company history, founder presence, or physical store backing that legitimate boutiques typically have a clearer identity, curated collections, and brand story. Another concern is product sourcing. Items often resemble widely available designs seen on wholesale platforms. This suggests the store may not be producing original or premium quality pieces. So, is Sarah and Louise London real or fake? Short answer, it's a real website, but not a proven boutique brand. There's no clear evidence it's an outright scam, but it shows multiple signs of being a low-transparency online fashion store, rather than a true London-based boutique. Bottom line, Sarah and Louise London likely falls into the same category as many modern online fashion stores, functional, but not a well-established or highly credible boutique brand. It may be fine for budget purchases, but expectations around quality and service should stay cautious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.